For this project, you need paper, either large or small, whatever you have, totally up to you, markers, a pencil, eraser, and a Sharpie. First, we're going to start drawing trees. We want a full color spectrum, Roy G. Biv, so we need 6 trees total. To start, we want to draw kind of a wavy, jagged line. Trees are very organic, meaning there's no perfect size or shape to them. Start by tapering and having it skinnier at the top and then wider down at the bottom. Once you have your main base, we're going to start adding branches onto our tree. Add all different sizes, lengths, and shapes. Once that's complete, we're going to circle around where our leaves would be on the trees. These also should be nice and organic. Don't make them perfectly round. Make them kind of blobby, a little crooked, some wider, some thinner. Fit them in and overlap. Next, we're going to add a wavy line at the bottom for the ground. Come in with an eraser and erase any extra marks. Then we're ready to add our color. I'm going to show you a really cool technique to turn your markers into a watercolor effect. Begin by adding a nice bold line around each of your trees with your marker. Remember to use Roy G. Biv order: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet. Now do the same thing by adding color down on the ground. Trace with a nice bold line in the same color order. Now it's time for our new technique. Grab a plastic bag or something slippery that you wouldn't mind getting marker on. You'll also need a cup with a paintbrush, or you could even use a Q-tip dipped in water. Start by putting some marker onto the plastic bag. Since the plastic won't absorb the ink, we can pick the ink up with a paintbrush and then put it onto our paper. Color some marker, then grab your paintbrush to pick up the color and start painting. It also helps to go around the edge of your tree first to activate the marker that's already on the paper. You can also use this to help you blend colors as well. So when you're done with the red and you move on to orange, you can add a little bit of red and orange together to get those nice tertiary colors. Do this for all of your trees and the ground. Want to let this dry for about an hour. Once the paper is no longer damp, we can start to add designs to our trees and fill in the tree trunks. Use the same color marker or crayon to add different line quality into your leaves. You could use swirls, zigzags, straight lines, polka dots, stars. It's totally up to you. Next, use a black Sharpie, marker, or crayon to fill in your tree trunks. You can also go back through and add little tiny sticks and twigs sticking off of your branches. for a more realistic look.